Make sure to stay tuned in. People make two common mistakes that can actually cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where your BCM Body Control Module is located. You need to see how to get to it. Stay with us, we'll cover that in this video today guys. We'll share very helpful information with you today. And common mistakes people make sometimes when replacing electronics modules that can actually destroy your electronics and your computer. So make sure to stay tuned in and we'll explain about that as we go. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So what we have specifically here, this is guys a 2013 BMW 5 Series 520i. That's the one that we'll be working on. Now let us show you where that BCM Body Control Module is located. That's our vehicle here. We'll have more than, I said, 200-300 videos on every car. On this one specifically, I assume we'll be having guys, by the time we're done with it, probably close to 1000 videos, taking the whole thing apart, engines, transmissions, everything, suspension. So we have multiple things. What you need to do, you need to remove the glove box. Let's get the glove box quick. Okay, you can see that's the glove box right here guys. Okay, we got our glove box out. For any of you that want to see how to do that step by step, we have the complete video on the channel that will teach you guys how to remove glove box. It's very easy, and once you know what to do, if you don't, you can actually break your dash because it attaches to multiple points. Once you remove the dashboard, you need to the glove box. You need to also, in order to remove it, you need to remove the trim piece on the bottom. You need to remove the passenger knee airbag, and we have a video on the channel that explains how to do that as well. Passenger knee airbag removal. Next, every time guys you disconnect electronics, modules, fuses, relays, you need to disconnect the car battery. Why? Because otherwise you can burn the electronics and modules. It's even recommended to wait at least 1 hour after the battery disconnect to disconnect computers and modules. Number 2, on these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first and which battery terminal you reconnect first. Do it the wrong way, you will burn electronics and modules guys. How we know about that? We burned the airbag module on a Mercedes, and that cost us $2,000, so you don't want that to happen guys. If you come right here, you remove the glove box and you come to that stuff, you will notice that you have your, okay, that's your fuse box right here. Next to it guys, that computer right here, this is your BCM, that's your body control module. That's where it is located. Now that computer, it's pretty easy to pull out. You have 2 screws, you disconnect the wires and you're ready to go. You just pull it out. Not very complicated at all. For any of you trying to figure this thing out, that's where it's located. We have a video how to program BCM Body Control Module. This is known as a central getaway as well. Not just body control module, but central getaway too. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.